FM1405 operation instructions. Unlock the crown. Rotate the crown clockwise to unlock it. Winding up. Rotate the crown counterclockwise to wind up the mechanism at original position until the power reserve indicator points at 35. Date setting. Pull out the crown to position 1 and rotate it clockwise to adjust the date calendar. Time setting. Hold the crown to position 2 and rotate it clockwise to adjust the time. Push the crown back to original position and rotate it clockwise to lock it tightly. How to remove the watch strap. Step 1. 2 screwdrivers are needed. Use one screwdriver to fix one end of the lug. Rotate the other screwdriver until the nail looses. Step 2. Push the watch spindle with the tool and take it out. How to install the watch strap. Step 1. Insert the watch spindle into the hole, then connect the watch strap to the lug. Step 2. Lock the spindle tightly with the screwdriver.